Restart the computer. Whether the black screen issue began before or after login, you should first try to restart the computer. Sometimes all it takes is a simple reboot to get the system back on track. If you can't restart the computer the normal way, try to access the power button by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. This should bring up a mostly blank screen showing a list of options, with the power button in the bottom right corner. If this approach doesn't work, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. After that, try booting the computer normally. If this doesn't resolve the problem, work through the other steps. 2. Update, reset, or remove applications. In some cases, an application is the cause of black screen errors. However, it's not always third-party applications. File Explorer in Windows 11 can also cause black screen issues. For this reason, you should try to restart Explorer, especially if the black screen appears after login. For this, you'll need to open Task Manager, which you might be able to access by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. If you can reach Task Manager, you can restart Explorer by selecting Windows Explorer in the Task Manager window and move your cursor to click Restart. Figure 5. Another option is to open Explorer.exe as a new task in Task Manager. If restarting Explorer doesn't work or isn't possible, confirm that Explorer is properly included in the WinLogon settings in the registry. You can do this in safe mode if necessary. Open the registry editor and navigate to hk_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/WinLogon. From there, make sure that the value data for the shell value under the WinLogon subkey is set to Explorer.exe. If the black screen issue started after the installation of a new application, you might need to uninstall the application in safe mode. You should be able to launch safe mode even if a faulty application is causing black screen errors. Once in safe mode, use the Apps and Features option to remove the application. If the black screen problem prevents access to safe mode, you should still be able to access the command prompt through WinRE. To uninstall applications this way, you can use the Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line, WMIC, utility. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the blue screen or black screen error on your Windows 11 device, whether you're using an HP, Lenovo ThinkPad, or Dell. If you're still stuck, drop your exact error message or stop code in the comments, and I'll try to help you out personally. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech fixes, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future tips. Check out the other videos linked right here for more Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay techy.